Good morning, good morning to all my silent viewers and solid supporters in my YouTube channel, Color Mix TV. Thank you so much. For today's vlog is not about tutorial or lotong probinsya. It's all about appreciations of our group to the It's a Thai family. Thank you so much. Introducing first our beloved admin fresh from Israel, Serendipity or Belsky TV Vlog. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, Ma'am Admin Belsky TV Vlog. Thank you to your effort to the group. Thank you so much. Even though we have a misunderstanding, but you stand with your own feet. You have a big heart and a big patience of mind. Thank you so much. Going down to Dubai, the only grandmother to the group. Big shout out, Wilma Pinit channel. Big shout out to you, ate. Thank you for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much. Take care always. Enjoy your vacation. Thank you so much. And then we going down to Saudi Arabia. Yan, from Riyadh. Big shout out to you, Sir Obed Mix Vlog. Thank you for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much, Sir Obed. Take care always. Thank you so much. And then we going up to Lebanon. Big shout out to Rodel Connect, and big shout out to you, Sir Rodel. Thank you for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much. Take care always. Then we going down to Japan, the only Disney princess to the group, no other than Wishlicious Jean. Yan, thank you so much for your cooperations to the group, Ma'am Jean. Thank you so much. Take care always. We going to a little down from Japan. A little down to the Japan. We have from Taiwan, Yet Collection. Ayan, Yet. Big shout out to you. Thank you so much for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much, Ma'am Yet. Take care always. And then we have a little down from Taiwan, fresh from Hong Kong. Ayan, Sophia's Journey. Big shout out to you, Ma'am Sophia. Thank you so much for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much. Take care always. Now we are going to the Philippines. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. The only introducing first, the only DJ of our group. Please welcome DJ Ron's. Big shout out to you, Ron's Life Journey. Ayan, Ron's Life. Big shout out to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your cooperations to the group. Big shout out, DJ Ron's. Thank you so much. Take care always. And now we are in the Philippines. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Now we are introducing first from the Philippines, the only DJ to our group, DJ Ron's. DJ Ron's Life Journey Child. Big shout out to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your cooperations to the group. Big shout out sa'yo. Big shout out to you, ma'am. Thank you always. Yan. And then we going to Janetsky Vlog, the only drunkers to the group. Janetsky Vlog. Big shout out to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your cooperations to the group. Laban lang dol. Love you, bunal. Yan. And then we going to Maritesan. Yan, we going to Maritesan, representing Mary Jean Daang. Yan, thank you so much, Ma'am Mary Jean. Thank you for. Now in the Philippines, piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Introducing first, the only DJ to our group, DJ Ron's life journey. Big shout out to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much. Take care always. And we're going to the hot mama from Mabini. Janetsky Vlog. Yan, Janetsky Vlog. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much, ma'am Janetsky. Big shout out to you. Take care always. And then we going back. We going to the Pampanga Damaritesan girls. Mary Jean Daang Vlog. Thank you. Big shout out to you, ma'am Mary Jean Daang. Thank you so much. Thank you for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much. And then we going to Ma'am Cassie Laquinas. Thank you. Big shout out to you, Ma'am Cassie Laquinas. Thank you so much for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much. Take care always. Big shout out to you, Ma'am Cassie Laquinas. And then we going to Sakura Vlog 20. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sakura 20. Thank you so much for your cooperations to the group. Big shout out to you, Ma'am Sakura Vlog 20. And then we going to Sir Rod's Vlog. Ma'am, Sir Rods, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Rods. Thank you for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much. Take care always. Big shout out to you, Sir Rods Vlog. Yan. And then we going to turn right to Sorsogon. Yan. We have going to Sorsogon. Raquel and Sorsogon, the only English speaker in the group. Thank you so much, Ma'am Raquel. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your cooperations to the group. Big shout out to you. Thank you so much. Take care always. And then we going down to the Visayas area. We going to big shout out. Thank you so much to the only beautiful lady to the group, Me Efemi. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, Ma'am Efemi. Thank you for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much. Take care always. Yan, we going to the only one, the hottest, the Sakute girls, the hottest Mama Fresh from Mindanao, representing Mindanao area, fresh from his house. Annex Vlog. Yan, Ma'am Annex. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, ma'am. Thank you for your cooperations to the group. Thank you so much, the only treasurer of our group. Thank you so much, Ma'am Annex Vlog. Big shout out. And then we have a special mention, very important person to introduce to you. Let's go. In behalf of our It's Atay family, I introduce to you our special thanks and appreciations to our special person, special boss from Israel. Thank you so much, Mr. Nimrod. In behalf of It's Atay family, we are very thankful because you are a part of our family or our group. We are appreciate your kindness and generosity, to, especially your trust, your trust choosing It's Atay family group. Thank you so much, Sir Nimrod. Thank you so much. God bless. More blessings to come to your family. Good health always. We promise that we take good care of the group. Thank you so much. Thank you for choosing the It's Atay family for one of your charity program. Thank you so much.